Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to balance the water in your spa. After refilling your spa, you should immediately test and balance the total alkalinity, calcium hardness, pH, and sanitizer level. Before we get started, let's go over the products you may need. Products you may need: 5-way test strips, pH alkalinity down, pH alkalinity up, stain and scale defense, and concentrated chlorine granules. Step 1. Remove the gray cap, filter, and gray standpipe. Put a garden hose directly into the standpipe fitting. Turn the water on full blast and hold a rag around the hose to remove any air from the water lines. You should see large air bubbles coming up from the drain screen. Continue filling the spa through the gray standpipe fitting until the large air bubbles decrease. Step 2. Install the freshwater clean screen pre-filter. Continue filling the spa until the water level reaches above all the jets. Reinstall the standpipe, filter, and filter standpipe cap. Balancing the total alkalinity. Step 3. Immerse the test strip in the water for 2 seconds. Shake it once to remove the excess water and read it immediately. The recommended total alkalinity for your spa water is 125 to 150 ppm. Turn on the jet pump and add freshwater alkalinity up or alkalinity down to reach the correct level. Adding 1 tablespoon per 100 gallons of water will increase or decrease the total alkalinity by 20 parts per million. Test the water again after 30 minutes. Once the total alkalinity is within the recommended range, proceed to the next step. Balancing the calcium hardness. Step 4. The recommended calcium hardness level for your spa is 150 to 200 parts per million. If the calcium level is too high, use the hot spring freshwater stain and scale defense to bring the calcium level down. If the calcium level is too low, use freshwater calcium increaser to bring the calcium level up. Once the total calcium hardness level is within the recommended range, proceed to the next step. Balancing the pH. Step 5. The ideal pH level for your spa water is 7.4 to 7.6. The pH level is the measure of acidity and alkalinity. If the pH is too low, it can be increased by adding hot spring freshwater pH alkalinity up or baking soda to the spa water. If the pH is too high, it can be decreased by adding hot spring freshwater pH alkalinity down to the spa water. When the pH is within the recommended range, proceed to the final step. Maintaining the sanitizer level. Step 6. Use hot spring freshwater concentrated chlorinating granules or sodium dichlorate for sanitizing the water. Superchlorinate the spa water by adding 1 ounce of chlorine per 500 gallons of spa water. Use the jet button marked clean to circulate the water for a 10-minute period. The free available chlorine, or FAC, is a measure of the amount of unused chlorine available to sanitize the spa. The recommended FAC for your spa water is 3.0 to 5.0 ppm. Never enter the spa if the FAC is above 5.0 ppm or below 3.0 ppm. Good job! Thanks for watching! Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.